We present ggplot, giving guidance to professional law practitioners on outreach and trends. We're a team data sniper. We'll first introduce our objective general trends analysis, explain the recommendation system, and a demo of its implementation to the ABA platform, and followed by project impacts. To start off, the data we're given are from the American Bar Association pro bono platform. We have 3 goals in this project. First, to advise ABA and state partners on general trends. Second, based on the trends, find out what area of expertise are further needed. Third, prepare volunteer lawyers for questions that may arise by our new recommendation system. Let's move on to the trend analysis part.
So the first graph shows the most unsolved category by states. We can see that education takes the largest percentage in southern states, while the income has the highest proportion in central states. The second graph is a national non-response percentage by category. Juvenile and individual rights accounts for the most proportion of non-responses throughout the state. Family and children, with the most number of cases, however, accounts for the relatively less proportion of non-responses. So in conclusion, category with fewer cases tend to have more non-responses. So the next graph shows the number of cases in each state and the median response time. The size of circle represents the number of cases. The background color represents the median response time. A darker color will indicate a longer response time. According to this, we choose South Carolina as our major focus since it has a long response time and also high volume of questions. Then we see an exponential trend between ask on date and median response time. The response time decreases exponentially with the increasing date. So the ABA platform is increasing its efficiency over the year. The last visualization is the median response time in South Carolina by category. Work, employment, and unemployment topic has the highest response time for 26 days, followed by family and children. As a result, top category may need more volunteer attorneys on that platform. Next, we move on to our third part of recommendation.
We understand that every new case is unique, and we want to ensure that our client receive the best possible representation. To ensure clients and lawyer use similar language to describe the issue, and the lawyer can solve the problem for the client, we develop a recommendation system that match new cases with lawyers who have previous experiences. Given a new case and past cases from the database, we calculate the similarity between the new case and past cases from the same state, as they have the same law system. This is based on category and tax similarity. If they are in the same category like healthcare and share a similar pattern in language usage, tone, and topic, like or talk about the children's health issue, and they have a more caring tone, they will receive a really high similarity score. We will rank the case based on the score and select the top 5. Then we assign the new case to the lawyer who solved these cases respectively. On the attorney's end, they will be able to see similar past cases they have solved and abundant similar cases in the Google Scholar database to augment their decision-making and better communicate with the client on the same need.
For similarity calculation, we divide it into 2 parts. We first consider post-comment similarity, where we vectorize the text of new question and previous ones using sentence word, and compute the cosine similarity. We also use category similarity, where we take a similar approach to compute the similarity of category and subcategories. We then combine them using weighted average with a higher weight when categories are clearly specified and lower otherwise. In such a way, we can more accurately find similar posts in our database. In the first example, the new post is under the category of family and children. It is about approval from parents and child's health insurance. Since family and children has the largest number of cases, our data model is able to find a large number of similar posts responding to before. The top 3 are listed here with similarity scores above or around 70%. All 3 of them concern child custody and insurance, so our model can help target lawyers with specific expertise to speed up its response. Another example is about receiving college offer. It's under the category of education, but the subcategory is other. The similarity scores drop to less than 60%, indicating that such area is either new or less responded to in the past. But still, all top 3 posts are about college issues, which demonstrates the capability of our recommendation system.
Now comes the implementation. Here's a demo video of a lawyer logging into our recommendation system. So the lawyer will first be prompted to insert his user ID. And if he enters something nonsense, it will prompt him to try again. He'll have to enter the lawyer's ID stored in our system. Upon logging in, he will be able to see the new case posted by some clients, and he is assigned to the case because he has solved related cases in similar categories or subcategories in the past. He can also view those details of the past cases that he solved. He'll also be able to view the Google Scholar page for more context and resources.
So we have the descriptive data analysis to monitor case amount and response time in different states for each category, and a similarity recommendation system to find previous similar cases to the new post references for the response. So in conclusion, our recommendation continuously monitor the demand and distribution of lawyers for potential and recruitment or outreach, and expedite the response time by better preparing lawyers for the new post with internal and external references. And finally, we improved the ABA platform to assign new posts based on the case history and lawyer expertise more efficiently. And thank you for watching. This is all of our recommendation.